I just got back from DollarTree and we picked up some stuff that I wanted to put to a test. So the first item that we picked up 3 of these, and I think each one of them has 2. These are compressed seed starter kits. We picked up this tomato growing kit that I did try before and it didn't work, but I'm going to try it again. We also picked up some tomato seeds and some peppers. So these were the 2 that I've been doing some research on that are easy to see results on. And we also picked up these seed starting greenhouses. So we wanted to test these out to see if we are able to grow tomatoes. We got tomato seeds, and we also have this thing here, which I'll open it and show you. It comes into this little blue bag thing. Well, I'll open it and I'll show you exactly what it comes in because you can't really. Oh, there it is. It's actually already open. Sorry, I'm only working with one hand, guys. So this is the mesh that I don't know if it's supposed to come like this or not. I guess these are the seeds here. What you're supposed to do is focus just there. Supposed to just place it in like that. Now, I don't have a grow light, but what I do have that works well is a fish tank light. So what I'm going to do is I will be picking up the light just a little bit like that. Focus. And having those there to grow. So let's start. So the first thing we got to do is get this going here. And what this is here is we put our little compost mix in there, which I'll open. And then we put the lid on, which will make, I guess, a little greenhouse. So let's go ahead and get everything opened. Now we got this thing open. It says that they have 2 in there, but there's not. There's only 1, unless it's really added in there. So what I have to do is get some warm water. Let me grab some warm water. Okay, so I think it goes like this. I think. And we just got to add more soil, which I'm going to come here. I made a big mess in my office. Now, I don't think I have to add this other piece because I have way more soil than I know what to do with it. So just add a little bit more. And now we're going to add some water. We added our water. That's pretty submerged. I'm going to add my top just like that. Let me clean this mess and then we'll start with the other one we are going to do are the tomatoes. So I don't know if I have to germinate them. Let's see. Okay. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before frost after of, okay, we're in Texas, so, and we're doing this outside. So keep fruits clean and make, I don't know if I have to germinate these, but let's go ahead and get them planted. Okay. So we got a whole bunch of seeds here. I think what I have to do is make some holes like this. I think. Comment, let me know, guys, if I'm doing this proper. Just make a whole bunch of holes. Oh, I almost broke it. And now oops, I think I put all of them in there. I guess cover the hole, cover them. I'll get some in the middle. Sorry, guys, I wasn't paying attention to my recording. And I cannot find my tripod. So we have those there. Let's go ahead and add that one there. We got that one there. Now let's start on the peppers. It's pretty much same directions. I want to do the peppers a little bit different. What I am going to do is I am going to use, we definitely need some more water in here. I'll make some holes. And then what I want to do is I want to put the seeds on this piece here. And this is complicated. Here are the seeds. I'm going to put a few seeds in each hole. I don't know if I'm supposed to touch the seeds or not. Like I said, guys, the only reason why I'm doing this is because of a couple of people I know here on YouTube. Sharon from Connection Lives and Interest, Grandma Lynn, and Steve from Steve from Garden Aquatics Remix. These people will plant stuff and then we'll be on a live stream, or in Sharon's case, she'll actually send me pictures of her harvesting her stuff and my mouth waters. So I want to try it. Now, of course, they do it in a lot bigger scale than me. I want to try this at home and see how it works. So if you guys don't follow Grandma Lynn, Garden Aquatics Remix, and Connection Lives and Interest 2020, I'll have their link in the description of this video, and you guys could see some of the stuff that they plant. So I don't know if plants with fruit are the same as plants from your tank. If I could keep those plants harvested like I did in my fish tank, I think I could do these. So we have all 3 of them. So far we already got 1 on the tank. And these are peppers and these are tomatoes. So we have 2 tomatoes and 1 pepper. Let's go ahead and add some water to these and get them on the tank. They're gonna have some direct light here from this window here. And then I'm going to extend these tomorrow, this light tomorrow, to get it a little bit higher and to give it. But there's already humidity going on in here, as you guys could see. So hopefully we should get some growth. Oh, I need to give you guys the date. Is February 18th, 2026 at midnight. So I will keep you guys posted. So that does bring our video to the end. Thanks for watching, and I will be doing a 30-day update, so please subscribe and watch for our next video.